In this lesson, I will explain to you appending to a list. So what is the meaning of appending to a list and how it works in Python? It is easy. You have to use dot append function and then parenthesis. Whatever you want to write down, suppose float, integer, string, you have to use parenthesis. And this is one of the most important line that method adds an item to the end of the list. Append method adds an item. If you want to add some item in the list, always append dot append function will add at the end of the list. I will show you with the help of example. So this is my very simple example, sample underscore list, and see this is the list. How you know it is the list? Because all items are separated by comma and are enclosed in the square bracket. So this is the definition of the list. When I will run it, you will see 112 is the output. If I want to add something after 2, so see how you have to write down sample underscore list, whatever is the variable name, then dot append. I want to add 4 here. When I will run it, you will see 2 output. This is the first output, means before it was 112 and after is 1124. If you want, you can delete it, but I want to show you the difference between these two. That is why I have used 112 before and after. Right, here I have set one more example, 8 and 5. So I will run it and you will see 8, it will end at 8, and then second is 5. When I will run it again you will see that all the items 8 and 5 are added at the end of the list. So this is dot append method adds an item to the end of the list. So here I have set one more example for you, mixed underscore types, which is equal to 1 and paper. As I have mentioned in the last lesson that in lists you can write down whatever you want. It is not necessary that you have to write down one data type at a time. No, it's a mix and match. So this is the integer, this is the string. I want to append 5.87 after this. This is the float, and then I want to append a string which is Python. When I will run it, you will see the output 1, the paper, and then float, and after float we have Python. So this is one of the most easiest lesson. Please practice it. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.